Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so hyped today. We have a little bit of sunlight left, so we got to get this done quick. But we've been talking about doing this for quite some time now. And look who it is, guys. What's up, Diego? Welcome back. So for those of you who don't know, Diego is the one with the bronze bug eye that is currently
saving up for the 6-speed. I'm like this close to it. So after winter, I should be having, I should be buying that, and then that should be ready to go in. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be putting my Workmeisters on Danny's car.
Oh, and that's crazy.
If you guys don't know, these are actually 285. What are they? 285 30 by 18, and they're on a 18 by 11 rim. So we're gonna be putting those on and see how it looks on his car right now.
There's only a couple of differences between the wheels that I have on my STI right now and Diego's Workmeisters. They're both 18 by 11, except two of Diego's are +7 and the other two are +10. He's also running a 285/30 tire, and I'm running a 295/30. So as far as fitment, it should be roughly the same exact thing. I'm excited, guys. Just picture those on the STI with that color combo. Oh, dude, it's gonna look so good. Diego's gonna finish up unpacking all the wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the car jacked up so we can throw those wheels on quick before we lose some sunlight.
Looking scented. More?
Yeah.
Tell me when, eh?
All right, so we got the first wheel off, and now we're just trying to figure out which ones go in the front, which ones go in the rear. So I think this one might be the front, because if you guys can see, the offset is different on both of them. So this one looks like it would clear the front Brembos. That one looks like it might not. So
let's try this one on.
Let's try this one first. That one's definitely the one that clears the Brembo, and holy shit, dude. That looks crazy. He was gonna go ahead and lower it, and we're gonna see what kind of fitment these have on my car. Dude, that's crazy, dude.
Dude, look at the fitment, bro.
Oh, dude, I think that fits way nicer than mine.
Like the gold makes the blue pop out.
It makes it look good,
They both like pop out, you know?
Yeah.
And the gray is pretty sick. I'm gonna go here so I can push it up with my feet.
Ooh. Yo, guys, look at that. That's absolutely insane, dude.
Look at it from far.
Whoa.
I just think, like Joe said, it makes like the blue pop out a lot, right?
Yeah, dude. They like contrast well together. Damn, guys. What do you guys think of this color combo right here? That's crazy. Diego's moving the jack to that side to get it started. Check this out, guys. I'm actually rubbing on my rears. You guys can see that slit right in between the tires. So I think what we're gonna end up doing is going back into the flares and cutting a little bit more, just so I'm not scraping my tires like this. If you guys look at my front tires, check this out. So remember I told you guys about the steering rack and the issues that it's been giving me? Look at those wires already showing, and these are only like 5 months old. But new tires will come and we'll get these replaced. But look at the car. So that's what the car looks like with my wheels, and that's how it looks with Diego's wheels. That's crazy, guys. That just goes to show how different a car can look just on the wheel setup. So
Like that looks, I'm telling you, it looks sick. Damn.
Dude, look at that. It changes the look, huh?
It does.
It's crazy, dude. Damn. Since they're your wheels, it's only right, dude. So Diego's gonna drive my car. We're gonna go in the forest and we're gonna get some rollers for you guys just to see how it looks on the road. But check that out, guys. Oh my God, it looks so good. Changes the car completely. Oh, what do you guys think? That looks so different, dude.
Let's try to get it in the sunlight. That's crazy.
Dude. Damn. So Diego's gonna hop in my car. He's gonna drive it. It's gonna be sick.
I'm gonna move around and then just go back here and then go on 50 and then
Okay.
meet up with Ongo.
For sure.
Let's do it.
Like I said, I haven't seen my car rolling even after the new paint job, and now to see it with the new paint job and Diego's wheels, it's insane. It looks so good. Fucking Diego. Go again, go again. Oh my God, it looks hella good, dude. Oh, I need wheels. Lighting is so good right now and it's just perfect. Look at the car, guys. Diego, dude, thank you for letting me do this shit, dude. This shit's sick. Oh my God, dude, look at that, guys. There's two reasons why I'm so excited to see the car like this. One of them is that I can't wait for the wheels that I choose to go on the car, and the second reason is because I can't wait for Diego to have his wheels on his bug-eye once everything is done, dude. Oh, it's gonna look so good. You went with such a good choice, dude, on the wheels. So now that the sun went down, we got all the pictures that we need. We're gonna head over and we're gonna show Ongo to see what he thinks about these wheels on my car. What do you think, dude?
Yeah, already curved.
No mames.
Dude, I can see the glow from over there.
It looks crazy,
the bronze, yeah.
One, just to see how the wheels I chose look. Now, seeing these, and these going on Diego's bug-eye. It's gonna be fucking crazy, dude.
Yeah, man.
Diego, dude! Diego, dude, it's fucking time
I'm
for
high,
yours,
dude.
dude.
It's been long.
The lips, huh? That's
Yeah.
what I told Diego stands out the most. Is the gold lips, dude.
For how long do you keep it on for?
I don't know, to be honest. I don't really want to run them because
They're his on.
they're his. I don't want to be responsible for any damage, but check that out, dude. Now that you guys saw my wheels on my car, you guys are probably wondering why Diego still hasn't thrown on his Meisters on his car.
Couple of reasons actually. So the first one is I'm actually saving up for the 6-speed. The second one is I'm saving up for the Fortune Autos, and then I'm saving up for a clutch and also some maintenance in the engine, which is just some belts and spark plugs,
coil packs.
And coil packs. And then at the very end, once I put all that onto my car, I'm going to be actually finishing up putting on the flares with the guy that did Danny's. So
which is the same guy that painted your car?
Yeah, which is the same guy that painted my car. So there's a whole process to it. I'm just trying to like do it in the right order so I won't go back and then have to redo something again.
You guys might be asking why Diego doesn't just get the 6-speed or why he doesn't just throw the wheels on. First off, the wheels are actually 5x114 and his car is still 5x100. So in order to run the wheels, he needs to get the 6-speed. But he can't get the 6-speed just yet because to run a 5x114 setup, you need different coilovers, right?
It's like practically what you've done to your car.
So exactly what I did to my car.
So the reason I can put it on my wheels is because if you guys have watched some of the previous videos from I think last winter, Danny actually changed the whole conversion to 5x114 and he also actually put the Fortune autos at the same time. So
because I needed them to run the 5x114.
Exactly, so that's the reason I don't put them on. But now
the only thing that Diego's doing different is that he's doing now what I did, right?
Exactly, yeah.
But with a 6-speed.
Exactly, yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna be crazy, dude. So now this is how Diego's gonna play everything out. So the Fortune autos take roughly 1 month to get here. So they build them and then they ship them out. It takes about a month. So within that month, Diego can save up a little more money for the 6-speed.
Yeah.
And I had told him that since he's gonna have the transmission out, he might as well do a clutch.
Exactly.
So he can save up for the clutch as well. So now, when the coilovers get here, Diego will have everything ready to go. So he'll have the 6-speed, he'll have the clutch, he'll have the coilovers. That way we can do the entire swap all at once with everything that we need to do it. Not install a 6-speed and then wait for coilovers, or have the 6-speed and not be able to do it because we need a clutch. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's gonna play out itself, dude.
Fire when the strong hits you.
That's it, Brian? Yes.